To use a One4All gift card on Argos, start by making sure you have a valid One4All gift card with sufficient funds. One4All gift cards can be used in store or online at Argos. First, check the balance of your One4All gift card by visiting the One4All website or by calling their customer service number. This will ensure you have enough funds to make your purchase. If shopping online, go to the Argos website and browse for the items you want to purchase. Add the items to your shopping basket and proceed to checkout. At the payment stage, select the gift card option and enter the long gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the card or on the gift card receipt. If shopping in store, let the sales assistant know that you would like to pay with a One4All gift card. They will ask for the card and process the payment. You may need to provide identification, so make sure you have a valid ID with you. When using a One4All gift card on Argos, you can use it to pay for the full amount or part of your purchase. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method. It is essential to note that One4All gift cards cannot be exchanged for cash or used to buy other gift cards. Also, be aware of the gift card expiry date to avoid any issues with using the card. By following these steps, you can easily use your One4All gift card on Argos, either online or in store. Remember to always check the balance and expiry date of your gift card before making a purchase to avoid any inconvenience.